Come on, guys, you got to stamp your hand. Stamp your hand. You're verified. Stamp that hand. Yep, beautiful.
My tattoo.
Got a tattoo. There we go. Verified. Got my ID. Now verified. So we're verified now. We had to go through a bit of a check, and we're through. We need to pay the terminal fee and the environmental fee. 200 each. These different desks like this one, who are checking people and they're checking their accommodation. They want to verify that you've got your ID and that you have the right accommodation. The thing is, there's a limit, there's a restriction as to how many tourists can actually be on Boracay is the first thing. So I think it's only a few thousand people that can actually be on Boracay at the one time. They're going to allow and increase that in the new year to something like 20,000 people, which is going to be the limit. As well as that, what you have to do is you have to be in a confirmed hotel, so a hotel that's approved by the Boracay government, and the government has to be an approved hotel to get verified.
Go, boys.
And then you have to register here and get the official seal.
Stamped.
Another stamp. Looks like. It's a bit of a process now to get onto Boracay. Honestly, it is a pain, but I mean, the benefit is, far greater because the island is just so beautiful. You have to have a ticket, you get swiped, and we go through this gate. Again, it is a bit complicated. I didn't know the process. A little complicated, this process, that's for sure. And a ferry ride is next. Go. Fill out something. So the guys are filling it out for us. We've got to fill out some small documents, fill it out, and then we can get on the ferry. We're saying more scrutiny there than at the international airport. Thanks, buddy. This is the ferry, which is going to ferry us to Boracay. Watch your head.
Very hot.
Matt,
Happy to be here.
do you like boats?
Love them.
You sure? You don't get seasick.
No.
If you're sick, throw it up that way.
We'll see how we go.
So you don't want to cuddle?
Not yet.
Not yet, he says. At the port. Cagban port. Welcome to the brand new Boracay. Awesome. It's definitely looking a lot better than before. Brand new E-Trike. Very cool. Before you got the trikes, but now these E-Trikes. Leaving the port behind us. Gonna relax and hit the beach as soon as we hit our villa. One thing you will notice is this is a new road. They used to have like these old shady looking, you know, roads made out of gravel with potholes everywhere. It was terrible. So this is, you know, a really nice road. Obviously it's not fully completed, but it's, you know, it's usable, which is the important thing. The pathways too, looking really good. Yeah, this road is definitely 10 times better than before, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. It's changed a lot.
New mall,
Changed
new
so
shops,
much.
new roads, e-bikes. It's looking great.
The road was wider before. Yeah.
That's how you get on Boracay. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Boracay.